Coconut milk, a luscious liquid derived from the flesh of mature coconuts, has gained popularity not just for its delicious taste, but also for its plethora of health benefits. This creamy elixir has been a staple in various cuisines and is celebrated for its rich flavor and diverse utility. Embracing coconut milk as a daily addition to your diet offers a range of advantages that contribute to your overall well-being. Here are 7 remarkable benefits that might just convince you to make this a daily ritual. 1. Nutrient powerhouse. Coconut milk is packed with essential nutrients such as vitamin C, E, B vitamins, and minerals like magnesium, potassium, and phosphorus. These nutrients play a crucial role in supporting various bodily functions, boosting immunity, and promoting overall health. 2. Heart health support. The medium-chain fatty acids, MCFAs, present in coconut milk, particularly lauric acid, may aid in improving heart health by increasing good cholesterol, HDL, levels and supporting better cardiovascular function. Studies suggest that moderate consumption might contribute to reducing the risk of heart disease. 3. Weight management and metabolism. The MCFAs in coconut milk have been associated with increased energy expenditure, potentially aiding weight management. Additionally, the fats in coconut milk can provide a feeling of fullness, potentially curbing overeating and supporting weight loss efforts when integrated into a balanced diet. 4. Skin and hair nourishment. Coconut milk is a fantastic source of nourishment for both skin and hair. Its high fat content makes it a natural moisturizer, assisting in maintaining skin elasticity and hydration. Additionally, the application of coconut milk on hair may help in promoting shine and softness. 5. Digestive health boost. With its substantial fiber content, coconut milk can aid in digestive health. Fiber is known to promote regularity and can assist in preventing constipation. It also acts as a prebiotic, fostering the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, which is vital for a healthy digestive system. 6. Bone health support. The minerals present in coconut milk, including phosphorus, are crucial for maintaining bone health. Regular consumption can contribute to maintaining bone density and strength, thereby reducing the risk of osteoporosis. 7. Anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Coconut milk contains antioxidants such as selenium, which combat oxidative stress and reduce inflammation in the body. These properties may potentially contribute to reducing the risk of chronic diseases and supporting overall well-being. Incorporating coconut milk into your diet. Coconut milk can be a versatile addition to your daily diet. From savory curries to creamy smoothies, it adds a unique flavor and texture to a wide range of dishes. Ensure you opt for unsweetened, organic varieties to fully reap its health benefits while minimizing added sugars and unnecessary additives. A word of caution: while coconut milk offers an array of health advantages, moderation is key. It is calorie-dense due to its fat content, so excessive consumption might not be suitable for everyone, especially those with specific dietary restrictions or health conditions. Consulting a healthcare professional for personalized advice is always recommended. The advantages of incorporating coconut milk into your daily routine are undeniable. From its nutrient richness to its potential health-promoting properties, this creamy liquid presents a compelling case for inclusion in a balanced and varied diet. As with any dietary change, individual needs and considerations should be taken into account. But for many, reaping the benefits of coconut milk may just be a delightful and healthful addition to their everyday lives.